Hi guys, welcome to TechBind for you. Um, this is the fourth video of the series of Docker. In the first video, we learned about the basic of Docker. In second video, we have done the solution of Docker and Windows machine. And third, we have created small images by the Docker file and try to run one container. Okay, so in this video, in this third video, we have used one few code. Okay, if you one created small Node.js application and that we have done. So in here you can go. Okay, let me. Okay, let me. Okay, so it's already there. Okay, let me not need to open this. Okay, so this is my Git repository where you can get the code for the third video and the future videos. Okay, that is the Mr. Pankaj /docker. You will see the chapter one and Docker file. Okay, so you can get that code here if you want to run the code. when the want to create a Docker image and create a container out of that. Okay, so here what we have learned that we can create a image, and from image we can create a Docker container. So just want to tell you that from one container you can create from one image we can create multiple containers. So image contain the in our case it's contain the Node.js application code and Node.js environment, and the container contain the running Node.js applications. So from one uh, image you can create multiple containers. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, so let me stop it, let me clear this. Okay, let me see if any container, let me delete. Okay, let me stop everything. Okay, this already stopped. Let me delete everything container so that that will give you a clear picture. Okay, okay, this is okay. I've deleted everything, I think. Let me run it again. Okay, everything is deleted. Let me check the images. Is any images? Okay, docker images, no, docker rmi. Let's delete both the images. Okay, so we have everything has been deleted. Okay, good. So now we are back to the initial stage. So what we will do, we will create build the we will again build this docker build dot, and if you see I am on chapter 1, the same directory where we have this docker file. Okay, it's downloaded the image, node.js image, and perform the operations or the command, you can say that we have done. So now we have image is 46724. Okay, this is the image we have. Now we need to run this. You know that how to run it. We will use the port number 3000 localhost. This is a local machine port, and this is the container port, and image id is this one. So we are running this. Okay, so localhost 3000. Okay, it's running. As you know that from one image we can create a multiple container, so we will do this. Okay, same command, we will use it here. Okay, it's all. In this case we are using a port 4000 of local. Okay, and 3000 of container that is already there, and we have exposed 3000. Okay, let me run it. It's running. If I go here, localhost 4000, yeah, it's running. So from one image we have created two containers. Okay, so that's clear that from one image we can create multiple containers. Let me stop both the containers. Now then we will docker stop. This is a container id, not the email. So both the container will stop in a minute. Okay. Okay, so done. 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 Okay, nothing is running right now. Okay, so you can ask me that from where we got this node image. Okay, who created this node image? On top of that we perform our commands. So that is created by the, you can say, you can go to the hub.docker.com. Okay, it's a publicly available repository of Docker. Okay, here if we search for node, you will see this one. We use this one, this image, and we use the version 14. So these are the tags tag. So we use 14 version, this one. Okay, node colon 14, we use this one. Okay, so these are, this is the, we have used here. This is a publicly available uh, repository. No, repository is publicly available image in Docker repository. Okay, so we have used that one. So if mm, what is the image we have? Images we have. Let me delete this. Okay, let's leave this image. Okay, in local. Let's try to run this image directly. Node. Okay, the publicly image. We are not running now. Now our own image that we created. Okay, let's run this. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it's unable to find image node latest locally. It's pulling, it's fetching from the Docker repository now. And we have used the run command, so ideally it should run, but it's not running. We got the prompt again. If we see ps, nothing is running. But if we see ps minus a, that was running. Node image was running 20 minutes second ago, but exited. Reason for that is the interactive cell of Node.js application that is running into the container is not exposed to us. So what we need to do, we need to use -it here, interactive session, for interactive session. If you see, okay, if you see the welcome to the Node.js version 19.8.1. Okay, this is not my local node version. This is the version that is available here. We did not use the 14:14, otherwise the 14 version should display here. If I want to perform anything, I can perform it. Okay, too. So this is, if okay, if I compare with my local, if you see my local is 18 point something, but this node publicly image is giving the latest version is 19.8.1. So just want to show you that the node that is publicly available latest version is different with my local. Okay, and one more thing is, if you have a Docker desktop, if you see whatever the images we are creating, whatever the container we are running, all are available here. You can see this last started, what is the current exited status. So what we are running in the command, you can see everything here also. You will see the in future video the volume also here. So you can means you can start the container again, you can delete the container, you can delete the perform all the operations on that image also. So whichever comfortable for you, you can do that, but I will prefer to you guys for to go here and run the commands. That will help you. So that's it from this video. Next video will cover more about the Docker, and thank you guys, thank you, see you guys in the next video. Thank you.